process is designed so that a product flows, and as it flows through the plant, it becomes progressively more complex.
We're a manufacturing company. Raw metal comes in, we break it down. 80% of our parts are produced in-house. That's what makes us so good. We're able to produce everything that we need in-house. From there, it'll work its way to all of our production lines, and we'll build whatever products we have that we need to build.
We do a lot of manufacturing here, so when a customer needs a part or a warranty, it's really nice because we can have that already here.
Those lines are an additive process, so we're starting with a cargo van and we're building it up. They go through 8 stages of production. Our first stage does roughen for electrical and framework for cabinetry. Our second stage, we get into electrical, we do final electrical. Our third stage is HVAC. Our fourth stage, we start putting in the interiors for the cabinetry, and then so forth and so on until we have a completed vehicle. At the end of the line, we will go to our punch out and option station, so that's where we go through the entire vehicle once more with a fine-tooth comb and add any special options that are not part of the normal build. Electrically, HVAC-wise, and then structurally to make sure that it meets our criteria. We go through about 110-point inspection through that process, which includes charging the vehicle all the way up and all the way down, make sure the electrical system works, and then checking all the lighting and diagnostics to make sure that all works. The floors and subfloors are welded together. How the paneling goes in, our specialty dynamics for insulation and for sound deadening, and these are the things that you see under the skin that you wouldn't actually see on a vehicle in the field. It makes this a more premium product. I have had 1 or 2 customers who have turned around and said, "Are you sure you could put this thing back together again?" And I do assure them that we have done this literally tens of thousands of times, so we're pretty good at it at this point. We either weld or form it back together depending on the model, and then refinish it, fuel systems, exhaust systems.
So we have inspectors that do QC during the station, as well as after every station is complete. Then we do a final QC off the assembly line. We do a road test to make sure that nothing goes wrong after the vehicle's been driven for several miles, and then we do another final QC.
We have some of the most sophisticated equipment. You can walk through this plant and a month later come through and you'll find something new.
We want the vehicle to go out the door in the best quality we can possibly build.